we have to manage the water in a much better ways that we are doing it now. And first things that is very important, that it will be a value for the water. When there is no value, when there is no price, you find yourself in a situation that you don't know how to manage this water, because people not preserving water, people use water not for initial needs that they need. There is contamination of water resources, and at the end of the day, the financial arena is not helping in order to promote this industry or this water as they are doing in the oil businesses or other businesses that they are there. Having that said, I'm going to the third slide that show us how we are using the water today. So there is things that we have to continue, and we cannot having any kind of substitute, like smartphones. We need about 12,000 liters of water to produce one smartphone. We need about 80,000 liters to produce a car. So maybe we cannot live without a smartphone and without a car. But in the other side of the slide, you might see that we might manage our life a little easier. Like if we use a cup of coffee costs us 140 liters of water. But if we want to drink tea, it's just 35. So it's 4 times. So by drinking maybe more tea, we can preserve water. Let's go further. If we have a hamburger costs us 2,400 liters of water. But if we want to have the salad, even if more like 300 gram salad, not like it's here 80 liters for 150 grams. So it's 100 times difference if we eat a salad a day instead of one hamburger a day. And it's go on with beef. If we want to have chicken instead of beef, so it's again 1 to 4. Now about energy, it's even higher. It's 10 to 1. When we use nuclear energy, it takes us 850 liters per household. And if we use it in the solar, or a part of it in the solar, it's just 93 liters. So it's 1 to 10. And of course, at the end, what we are our clothes, like the cotton. Cotton needs lots of water. For one T-shirt that sell in China with 20 cents, we are expending 4,100 liters of water. By this amount of water, we can feed a family for a week with 3 kilograms of rice. So, what is the manage is here? Why we are still using these T-shirts? Why we are eating beef as we want? Why we are still using water not in an efficient way? And the answer is that because it doesn't have a price.